reconnaissance pour les églises bienvenues et à tous. You're all welcome to this great gathering. And we are a little bit sorry for starting late. Emma Benumbe start late. Please don't be angry that we started late. And really appreciate you for coming. Right now, I want to introduce myself personally. My name is MC Olasios. I'm a Nigerian, I'm a Yoruba boy. I'm a Yoruba boy from Nigeria, and I'm proud to be a Yoruba boy. Is there any Yoruba? We are the Yoruba people in the house. Please wave your hands. The Yorubas. Is there any Yorubas in the house? I heard the children, the rest of they are proud to be Yoruba children. Please put your hands together for yourself. DJ, give us some light music. I'm going to go back. We'll move away from the item please, because there is the item. Get somewhere to sit, please. Gathering, and I would like everyone to please have your seat as we want to start the program. Ẹ jẹ́ kí a jókòó kálẹ̀ balẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ program wa torí pé a ní àsìkò púpọ̀. Àtàwọn ẹni tó ya fọ́tò àtàwọn tí wọ́n ń lóúnjẹ ẹ jọ̀wọ́ ẹ jẹ́ kí a jókòó kálẹ̀ balẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ program wa. S'il vous plaît, monsieur, madame, s'il vous plaît, est-ce que vous pouvez s'asseoir en petit votre groupe pour commencer notre programme, s'il vous plaît. Et I need one more language, I forgot. Okay. Now I want to speak the last language, which is Chinese. That's the means. Please have your seats. For those that are taking picture, please, every cameraman, with the authority given to me from the association, let every picture stop so that we can be able to continue with our program. We can start the program, please. Hey, Joe. Cameraman. Okay. Please. Hey, Joe. Hey, Jackie. Hey, Jackie, over here, Joe. Cameraman. Hey, Joe. Please welcome the Nigerians in the house. We have the Nigerians in the house. The Yoruba people. Please raise your hands. Let me see your hands up. Hey, Jackie, I don't want you to be. I want all Yoruba. Please put your hands together for yourself. Appreciate yourself. Those of us that are not Yoruba, they are not Nigerians. I can see some of those that are not Nigerians, please. Most of us are not Nigerians, please. Do we hear English, please? English? Français? On parlait français? Vous êtes français? Wow. Ah, vous êtes vraiment content de nous voir ici parce que c'est pas parce que des sol ici et c'est lui qui a pas de contact avec nous parce que comme ça c'est mieux en fait ici. Donc, je vous remercie pour ça. Please put your hands together for the first people that are in our midst, please. Ẹ jọ ẹ pàtẹ́wọ́ àwọn français tó wà láàrin wa jọ. Ẹ pàtẹ́wọ́ àwọn fún wa nílò ẹ pàtẹ́wọ́. Ẹ jọ. Donc on est vraiment content de vous êtes avec nous aujourd'hui. Vraiment, on va commencer notre programme. En fait, je suis obligé de parler plusieurs langues. Parce qu'il y a plein de gens ici, donc je suis obligé de parler Yoruba, anglais et français. Right now, I'm going back to the language that keeps us together in Nigeria, which is the broken language. There is one language that keeps us together in Nigeria, which is broken language. And that is the language I'm going to use mostly to communicate with you guys tonight. I will not forget the source of this gathering, which is the Yoruba. I'm going to use the Yoruba because I am a Yoruba boy. I'm a Yoruba to me, I'm a Nigerian to me. Nigerian won't be me see, Nigerian won't be the Sinica ABC. So, considering actually, let me start with broken that keeps us together. You know, in Nigeria, so many things they happen for Nigeria. If you see, no matter how you all be rich for Nigeria, you must see girls, they must eat like you. Nigeria, if you all believe, you get money, you can be the finest guy. As long as you all believe, if you find you don't get money, nobody marry you. Nigeria, I see one guy, the guy, if that's the guy, and then he's like, that's the guy, but this guy get money, get people car. This guy doesn't come outside. 6 girls are coming outside, they look, they wait for the people to come outside the motor. Big motor. The guy doesn't come outside. And the guy come outside, they don't come. No money, no money, no business. You will say, this guy never said, but see, just for the whole boy. That guy is so awesome. Look at the way, I love the way he moves. I love his footsteps. You know, ladies in Nigeria, they can perform. There is a way you come to ladies in Nigeria. If you don't calculate yourself, you will get lost. There's a way you come to Nigeria like this, you get lost. You know, there is a lie in Nigeria. You know? Please. You know, if you see what Nigeria does, it's a lie. Go to Nigeria. I just the one that see two girls and see what they discuss with each other. What I was here, you see the Lord, I see. And next in my heart, Lucy said, hey, Lucy, yesterday I came to your house, you didn't date. I said, you didn't date. Did you see English or broken? The other one said, yeah, I went to see my uncle because my uncle's place. Uncle came to his house yesterday and they told his uncle actually through swimming pool and they stole 2 out of the swimming pool. The other one went to go to the swimming pool. I said, I'm not going to teach swimming pool for Nigeria. And Nigeria, they still get the right photo for Nigeria. No, not this nothing. For a year, they go say they don't on anyhow. Nigeria, and I want to get ourselves in Nigeria. Some of them, they right photo, they go. They see neighbor. You don't mind, you also want to, let's go say that. Papa, Alpha, that's Alpha. The next one say, Papa, I don't okay. Papa. I just look at the one who come reply. Papa. Then they find. Now then they communicate with each other with one. Seriously, I'm not saying the best for Nigeria that are moving. You see Nigeria movie industry, those people, they can deceive us. You see Nigeria, you see G-Mike. You won't eat food where patient was not come, you want poison. You see patient was not come, she bring out poison. She put that inside the food. She use her hand, turn her. She test her. Say, this poison no go kill her. You went to another guy. Let's see you. Rasina, on the night to come, eat the food. You know go die. If you want to send higher killers, you go kill her. You see everything that they carry gun. They will shoot. Nigerian youth, they will shoot the bullets where they go. As they go, next time you see, we will pick up our chest. When we go to the hospital, they go package in there. I bet they are ready to shoot. Not in chest. These 2 chairs together, ladies and gentlemen. I can see beautiful places here and I really appreciate you. DJ, please. ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ jẹ́ kí a jókòó torí àsìkò ti tó a bẹ̀rẹ̀ program yìí sí a sì mọ̀ bá lọ bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ni ẹ jọ̀wọ́ ẹ jẹ́ kí a jókòó àyè wà ní gbogbo ẹ̀yìn ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ jókòó àtàwọn kéékèèké náà tí gbogbo wọn jókòó ẹ jọ̀ọ́. Nísìnyí a bẹ̀rẹ̀ pẹ̀lú opening prayer torí ìbẹ̀rẹ̀ a bẹ̀rẹ̀ gbogbo ọ̀la àdúrà ni. Okay, right now we're going to start with opening prayer. And I'm going to call somebody to come and lead us in the opening prayer, please. Right now, please, hello everybody. I want to call on somebody that's going to lead us. And this person is going to be the one to give us just a short, a brief prayer. And is the other person down? Alaji Adejumo Razak, please put your hands together for Alaji Adejumo Razak, please. Essa wala tẹ̀wọ́ ẹ̀jọ́. Ẹ pàtẹ́wọ́. Ẹ pàtẹ́wọ́ Alaji. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ a fẹ́ ṣe prayer ẹ jẹ́ ká respect Ọlọ́run for opening prayer. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ jẹ́ ká dákẹ́. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Adúpẹ́ fún Ọlọ́run alhamdulillah ọba tó fi àánú rẹ̀ fún àjọ òní fi àánú rẹ̀ fún ọba. Bí gbogbo wa ṣe wá bí pẹ̀lú ayọ̀ àti àlàáfíà náà ni Ọlọ́run yóò fi bá ọmọ bá wa lọ ìgbà tí ẹ̀kọ́ kan ó bá tún máa padà sílé ayọ̀ àti àlàáfíà náà láti máa padà sílé. Ààrẹ ọ̀gá ẹ̀sìn gbogbo àwọn tó wá láti ọ̀nà tó jìn from Netherlands and also from Nigeria and also from town Loire. Bí gbogbo oníṣẹ́ wá láyé àti àlàáfíà láti wá gbárùkù ti Yorùbá association ní ìlú Lille. Ọlọ́run yóò fún mi wá nípa ọ̀sán láyé àti àlàáfíà. Gbogbo ìlà àdúgbò bá ṣe ń bẹ̀rẹ̀ báyìí tẹ̀lé àánú Ọlọ́run náà ní gbogbo òfìfàrí ọmọ abáyé láyé àti àlàáfíà. Alaina Atina, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Inna Atainaka al-Kawthar, fasalli li rabbika wanhar. Inna shani'aka huwal-abtar. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Amen. Please put your hands together for Alaji Adejumo Razak. Please, please appreciate someone. When someone comes from here to do something, please appreciate them. Please. Ejo. So right now, we are going to the next level. Please, the much noise coming from the crowd, please. Let's all be in one harmony, Ejo. Please, let's be one harmony, please. There should be no much noise coming from us, please. Ejo. In case for those who never know, this is Yoruba Nigerian People Associations. And we are proud to be Yoruba. Like you can see, I'm putting on my attire. What is that? What they want? Come on, my dress in Nigeria. See you want to show you over here? Huh? I show you. I show you. On y va chez Salemo. Acha est prêt? Ah, ok. Acha, allez. Hein? Donc, Salemo. Ok, quand on fait Acha, ok. Acha, ok, là, ok. Acha, ok, il est bon, et à ce moment-là, tu vas faire everyone is involved out here, but we have some people that we're going to invite here to come up to occupy this space. They will really want to be the ITV members. Please, whoever I come, please, with due respect, because these ones are dignities. They are not just ordinary person. Please, whenever I call them, please, you can call me, put your hands together, and you appreciate them. I'm not complicating. Enjoy, I don't want to know. Okay. For those of us ready, for those of us who are among the members, please. Okay. Okay. Right now I'm going to call the name of the members of the night table. As you can see there are some chairs here. Alright. And there's some dignitaries that are going to come up to occupy it, like I said before. So whenever I call somebody, please don't hesitate to put your hands together for them, because this ones, like I said, they are special ones. Everyone is special here, but these ones, they are special of the special of the special of the special of the specials. Permit my English, please. Please, ladies and gentlemen, I want to call on my first dignitaries to come on stage on the high table. Please, if you already sit down busy, put your hands together as a very welcome to the high table, Mr. Joseph Obolami from Ola. Please put your hands together for me. Why you want to play more? Play the number. So, Mr. Obolami, ẹ jọ̀wọ́, ẹni kéjì tí máa pè tí wọ́n wá sí àìtẹ́bù wa owó ní Aláàjì Báṣọ̀run Ọlámilékan Máyọ̀kù. Please put your hands together. Ẹ jọ̀wọ́ láti ẹ̀wọ̀n. Aláàjì Báṣọ̀run Ọlámilékan Máyọ̀kù. Put your hands together for him one more time. Please appreciate him. He's not easy to be the first one to be on the right table, please. Especially when you're when you're on telephone, you're making calls, you have network problem. So it is advised to happen here. So like I was saying, every page is about the Wasi item. Obìnrin ẹjọ́ bí mo ṣe ń forúkọ náà ẹjọ́ náà bí mo ṣe sọ pé dignities làwọn yìí. Please, ladies and gentlemen, if your hands are not busy, put your hands together as a big welcome to the high table, Madam Lovett of Leave. Madam Lovett, please put your hands together, Madam Lovett. Come on, Madam Lovett. Ẹ ṣáwọn láti ẹ̀rọ, put your hands together, put your hands together. Put your hands together from red. He has struggled for a while. You all know him, some of us know him. And he's someone special to us. Please, ladies and gentlemen, if you want to sit up with you, put your hands together as a welcome. The chairman of Yoruba Nigeria Association, please put your hands together as a welcome on stage. Mr. Marufu Bello. Mr. Marufu Bello.
Like I said, in order for us to move along, because every man has to be with every woman. Right now, I'm going to call a man. This man, if you see this man, if you see what the pastor is, he want to get ATM machine. The man, this man I'm talking about, he has ATM machine in his motor. I bet when I just this man will come, he gets ATM machine inside motor. You don't need to develop the back on love and the ATM inside motor. Please, ladies and gentlemen, I want to call on this answer. Mr. Finance, the finance. Please, ladies and gentlemen, if your hands are not busy. I'm going to call on this beautiful lady. I know she's a sister, she's a friend. Hey, everybody that I'm calling here, they are all beautiful and handsome people. Please, right now, I'm going to call on the secretary of the Yoruba People Association, to give us a brief speech just to our life, to give us little highlights, a brief speech about the Yoruba People Association. Please, ladies and gentlemen, if your way is not busy, ẹ jọ̀wọ́, ẹ jẹ́ ká pàtẹ́wọ́ fún Secretary Yoruba People Association. Is there any person down? Bukola, please put your hands together for Bukola, please put your hands together for Bukola. She's not single, for those of you who are looking at her, it's actually fine. You go take picture. Oh boy. And they stop with fine girl. Hey! This is the secretary. Everybody for the Yoruba Association, they're fine. You can never see ugly person in the Yoruba Association. No. Everybody fine. Fine. Just fine, no. Right now, I'm going to give the mic to the secretary, and she's going to give us a little speech. So please, listen attentively and remain blessed. Thank you.
President of the association, men and women of the item, invited guests, ladies and gentlemen, it is a privilege and honor to welcome you all to this great occasion. We're gathered here today to celebrate the Yoruba Day, and I would like to bring us back into of the Yoruba culture. So the Yorubas are situated in the western part of Nigeria, with about like 8 states in the present day Nigeria. So with more than 50 million native speakers around the world. They're actually located in Nigeria, Togo, Republic of Benin, Cuba, and Brazil. The Yorubas are actually religious. They actually practice a Muslim way, Christian way, and also the traditional way. The Yorubas are founded by the Oduah, who migrated from the Middle East down to Sudan, and they settled in Ile-Ife. The origins of the Yoruba kingdom. The Yorubas are rich in agriculture, art, and numerous culture. They have good rubber plantation, timber plantation, cocoa plantation, so on before the discovery of petroleum. The Yorubas are known as pace setters in Africa. Yoruba has lots of investments called Oduah Group of Investments, which
that please, the noise that is coming from the crowd, whenever someone is coming here, we have much noise coming to the stage, please. I am saying this with due respect, please, enjoy. They can minimize. Enjoy. Thank you very much. So right now, like I said, I'm going to continue with the high table. There is somebody I want to come on the high table that is here. There's somebody that's supposed to be on the high table, and she's here. Please, ladies and gentlemen, if your hands are not busy, put your hands together as a big welcome to the high table, Madam Kote. Master, please, bring this beautiful woman to the high table. Madam Kote, welcome her to this direction. See how we flash you from you know it as well. Hey, that is Madam Kote. Okay, let's go. That's what we do. You have money. You have money, Madam Kote. Madam Kote. Even the game shows that you have Madam Kote. You are welcome, Madam Kote. In Nigeria, there's one language that keeps us together, which is the broken language. You know, when I was in Nigeria, there are some guys they don't know how to speak English, but they want to try. If you know how to speak English, not a speaker. English not be by force. Speak the language that is happy. Speak talking. You can't talk for Nigeria. Speak out. That's why you get one guy, the guy that conductor. After Stefan Shola, in the Lagos State government, he don't want Lagos State. Many of them speak broken English. Imagine the guy from money. The guy just say, they come boss, not the boss conductors then. Also, enter. When the guy just see police when they come, the guy just change. Begin to speak English. The guy change, he just enter. Also, my two. Enter. The guy come to do this close to also say police here because Ashola say if you speak broken English, now they go arrest you. The guy goes to where? The guy is a bit speak good English. I say they walk down. That's why they say mash the conductor for leg. This is normally conductor goes out. I will do everybody, every member, after identify. I'm getting anybody, anybody, you are seeing anybody who are really coming around to anybody. And Joel, please. Members, association, and Joel, as ever who want. And Joel, members, as you can hear, members, and Joel. Our members are very much unique. We want to see our beautiful and handsome faces. And like I told you guys before, there is no ugly person in Yoruba People Association. They are all beautiful. Look all of them, they are all fantastic. Fine people, fine boys and fine girls. Handsome ladies and beautiful ladies. Beautiful ladies and handsome guys. Let me go say it. Let us please appreciate them. Appreciate the general presentation.
Mommy, you said that no one has
We have enough students here. part of the culture. Hey! Right now, I'm going to call on the president, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to call on the president to give us one or two speech, a speech of appreciation to appreciate, to do one or two things for us, just to appreciate us. Please, ladies and gentlemen, if your eyes are not busy, put your hands together as a member of this handsome guy, fine boy, fine man. Hey, please, put your hands together for the president of Yoruba People Association in Lille. Put your hands together for Mr.
Before I continue my notes, please, I would like to speak on Yoruba only because we are here to celebrate Nigeria Yoruba Association of Lille anniversary. And that's Yoruba Association of Lille. Yoruba, it means something, and we have our very language, and it is very better to take our traditional from where we are from. Mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀yin tí ẹ wá láti ìta, gbogbo ẹ̀yin tí wọ́n invite pátá tí ẹ fi ìfẹ́ àtayọ̀ tí ẹ fi wá sí ibi occasion wa yìí. Mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín púpọ̀. Mo lè máa fi dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Nigeria Yoruba Federation of Women. You are welcome. A dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín púpọ̀. Gbogbo ọ̀nà tí ẹ fi ilé yìí sí dáadáa lè máa bá ilé lágbára Ọlọ́run. Ọlọ́run ọba lójú èrè, a dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín púpọ̀. Mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín, mo lè fi àsìkò yìí náà dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ gbogbo wọn chairman and chairlady tí wọ́n wà lórí ìjókòó. Kí wọ́n Ọlọ́run ọba lójú èrè, gbogbo àyè tí ẹ fi sílẹ̀ nílé, Ọlọ́run á jẹ́ kí ẹ bá nílé láyé àti àlàáfíà. Mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín púpọ̀. Thanks very much. Ẹ ṣé.
Àwọn ní Buhari ní báyìí. DJ, a little busy because right now we have something special for you people. Something special that is coming up. Hello. Allô, tout le monde. Vous allez bien? Tranquille. Vous allez voir? Il y a des... En vrai, laissez-moi rigoler. Attends, ça va arriver dans le truc. Je vais te dire maintenant. No. You guys are Nigerians. Really? I don't know if you go like this. I never knew you guys are Nigerians. I was trying to like communicate in French. That was why I was like, everybody had that's good. So right now we're gonna do something cultural of Yoruba. We're gonna do something fashion parade. You guys know it. Fashion parade, you see, but this time around is gonna be with the little children. So I want you guys to communicate. Just focus yourself over to the stage and you see the children coming. They're gonna give us the fashion parade. Fashion parade, you know fashion parade? Something like this. Those kind of things. I hope I can communicate with these people here. I hope I can communicate. Please, I want everyone to communicate. Just concentrate yourself to the stage, please, because there are some children that want to do something. They are little, and I just want you guys to communicate. Just look at them, please. Enjoy.
You know? Yes. Right now, I'm calling on the first contestant. Please, DJ, give us some music. Because the guys want the most of the day they come like this. You know, like right now we have somebody that can show them what to do. So children, watch Miss Bookie as she comes on to show them a little, and Miss Bola. Please put your hands together for the two of them. DJ, Lucy, let's see this beautiful lady. Okay. Are you seeing this? Do you have Mr. Joseph Olabi in the house? Do you have presence of Mr. Joseph Olabi in the house? Okay, he's always on his way. He's on his way coming. So, right now we are going to business. We are moving down to business. Please, members, I need you guys for this. Let's keep calm and let's watch, because this is business. It's very important. Because right now is what we the director of the are going to be the one to start from this donation, because we have the dignities here. Like I said to you guys, there are the dignities, the ones that are going to organize this program. They're just going to be the one. Please, can I have my basket of money? Enjoy. If I didn't, I just want to make a little recap of the members of the item. I just want to make a little recap of the members of the high table. We have the presence of Alhaji Basharu, Olamileko Bayoku. Please put your hands together for him. He's here. Not yet.
Not yet. We are not in the race to collect money. I want your presentation, please. Let's concentrate our mind here, please. Right now, like I said before, I just talked my please, ẹ jọ̀wọ́ donation láti ọwọ́ Alhaji Basọ̀run Ọlámilékan Máyégún, please. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ iṣẹ́ àwọn láti ọwọ́ rẹ̀, please put us together for them. Members, you are not working with me. Members, and I need you guys to work with me. Right now we are going to the second donation from Mr. Prince Adebola Adesoya. Please put your hands together as you donate to us. Mr. Prince Adebola Adesoya. Please put your hands together for the members. Appreciate them. Right now, I'm coming to my finest. Say the woman, say she's fine. No. When you see somebody who like this, you don't say that money. You are not alone. For person they say, put your side, you hold your side very well. Please, put your hands together for Madam Kotas. She donates to us. Thank you very much, ma'am. Right now, I'm moving to another fine woman in our midst on the right table. This was the seven. Our photo, now ATM machine on the inside. Please, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, put your hands together for Madam Lovette of Lee. Thank you, ma'am. Right now, Luen, the president of Yoruba, President of Yoruba Federation of US. You're welcome, sir.
Yeah, please, at your point of correction, I'm not the president of Yoruba Federation in France, Rouen. I am the Secretary General. Inú mi dùn láti wà ní àárín ẹ̀yin ọmọ ìyá mi. Mo dúpẹ́ gan lọ́wọ́ yìí. On behalf of the President, the Executive Committee members, and other esteemed members of the Yoruba Federation in Rouen, we are just making a donation to our brothers here in Adúpẹ́ gan ní owó yìí pé ẹ gbà wá. Adúpẹ́ gidigidi pé ẹ wá yẹ wá sí náà nígbà tí àwa náà ṣe first anniversary wa ní August of this year. Nǹkan rere báyìí náà làwọn máa bára wa ṣe ní agbára Ọlọ́run. Adúpẹ́ gidi lọ́wọ́ yìí. Thank you so much. Thank you, Mr. President.
Please put your hands together for him. Just shout and breathe. For his members, please put your hands together for them. They never get on the line. Right now, I jọ̀wọ́ àwọn tó fẹ́ sábò oúnjẹ ẹ máa rẹ́jì.